How to mute someone on Instagram. If you want to mute someone on Instagram, here's what you need to do. First, open Instagram app on your phone like this, and then search the account that you want to mute. Tap search button and tap search, and then type the account that you want to mute. For example, Coach Justin. This is, and tap on the following button. This is, and you will see a pop-up like this, and you will see mute. This is mute. Just tap on it. You can choose all of this or just one of these. Maybe just posts or just stories or just notes or two. Maybe this or all of this. If everything is good, just tap on the back button. This is. On the mute section, you will see posts, stories, and notes. You have successfully mute this account. So that's all the tutorial on how to mute someone on Instagram. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. And see you in the next video.